Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the Paxi AI ChatGPT plugin that basically lets you find the best artificial intelligence tools in the market right now in any specific field you're interested in. So if you want to get access to some of the best prompts and use cases you can use this plugin with, I have an article in the description below that you can check out and learn more about this Paxi AI ChatGPT plugin, because in this tutorial I'm just going to show you one example, but you can find more there. And you can also get access to a complete database of all currently available ChatGPT plugins that can be installed from the ChatGPT plugin store. You can search this plugin database by category, plugin name, description, and get quick access to ChatGPT plugin video tutorials, the best use cases and prompts for all available ChatGPT plugins. The database can be downloaded for free, but you can also support the maintenance and the frequent updates of the database with a small donation. Any support is appreciated. You can get access to this database by using the link in the description below. Alright, but now let's see how to use the Paxi AI ChatGPT plugin. So if you haven't used plugins before, or this specific Paxi AI plugin before, you have to go through a process. So first, of course, you have to be a ChatGPT Plus subscriber and you have to enable plugins in your ChatGPT account. If you don't know how to enable plugins in your account, make sure to check out my YouTube video tutorial on my YouTube channel. Then, once plugins are enabled, you have to click on New Chat here and then select GPT-4 from the model selector, because by default GPT 3.5 is selected, and once GPT-4 is selected, you also have to make sure that you are using the plugins model so you can enable plugins and interact with those plugins in your ChatGPT account. Then you have to install the Paxi AI ChatGPT plugin, and if it's not in your installed plugin list, you have to scroll down to Plugin Store, click here and install the plugin. You can search for it very easily. Once the plugin is installed, all you have to do is enable the plugin. So last but not least, make sure that the plugin is enabled, and you can enable any plugin by clicking the checkbox next to the name of the plugin. So as an example, let's use the following prompt. What are the best AI tools for financial analysis? Then click on send message and let's see what ChatGPT will come up with using the Paxi AI ChatGPT plugin. So as you can see, you don't have to use any kind of function or fancy language or code. ChatGPT will know that you want to use this plugin and it will activate the plugin without you asking for that. So as you can see, it has used the plugin and has scraped a ton of information about all of these AI tools. So you can close this down. And as you can see, here is the list the Paxi AI ChatGPT plugin has come up with. So here are some AI tools that can be used for financial analysis. For now, this tool offers financial intelligence. It's free to use. Pluto, it's an AI copilot for investing, automations and data visualization. Coefficient is a set of AI tools that integrate with Google Sheets. Ayla.ai is a secure AI assistant for document creation and financial decision making. Atlancer AI, you can create your own AI tools with a simple text prompt. FinChat generates answers to questions about public companies and investors. So as you can see, most of these are really AI software and tools that you can use for financial analysis. Some of them may be not the best one, but of course you can always interact with the plugin to give you better tools. If you want to learn more about this plugin, make sure to check out the article in the description below. If you want to learn more about other AI ChatGPT plugins or plugins that can be used for finance, crypto, marketing, business, productivity, I have a ton of YouTube tutorials on my YouTube channel on various ChatGPT plugins. So make sure to subscribe because more are coming up. And also, if you want to get access to the complete ChatGPT plugin database that includes categories, searchable descriptions and more, you can also find the link to that in the video description below.